Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel Bramble Reed. So this week I wanted to try and do a paper mache bowl that just is a little bit unique. So what I did was I started doing this portion here and I'm going to show you how to do it. Everything else is the same as the other videos, so I'm going to link the videos that will show you how to make the paper mache recipe. And then also I'll link a video on how to make the paper mache bowls. And then we're just going to start from this portion here. For the best creative DIY and fashion content, subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I post a video every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion for you to join. Now it's your turn. Comment down below if you would be interested in seeing a paper mache decor makeover. Now guys, to get this design, I didn't do anything special. I just put it where I wanted it, put it down, and then curved it. See? Tried to make sure that this measurement in here was the same, but I didn't really care. And then cut off the bottom here and take this bottom part and put it in between here so that the distance is the same all the way around. Now that you know how to make the paper mache bowl designs, Creative Designer, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take that creative juice out of your head and put it onto a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, don't forget about my Facebook page where you're able to upload different DIY crafts, fashion content, even interior design. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out any of the videos in my paper mache playlist and my upcoming videos on how to create a succulent bed out of paper mache. If you like these videos, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to share it with your family and friends.